All right, you guys, what we've got here is a nice good dent right across this this fender. Now this is an Audi A7, I believe, Audi A7. Now there's plenty of room, access right here underneath here. It gets a little tight there, but since it's so sharp, what you want to do in this case is you want to glue pull. Okay, so I'm going to glue pull this area, and what that'll allow me is to get a lot of that meat up. And once I get a lot of that meat out, then I can tool it from underneath, and that's what's going to really help get that dent out a lot smoother. Okay, so that's what we're doing right here. And what tabs you want to use? You probably want to use anything that you're comfortable with. I would probably say Kiko right here. It's kind of windy here, so. All right, so what I've got now here is I'm going to use a Kiko tab right here. So my glue gun should be hot now. Oh no. No. Oh, okay, good. I thought it wasn't working. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue on here. Got some green stuff. Ay. One-handed, guys. Shouldn't be doing this. Okay. Put it right in there. Should be doing pretty good. Now I'm going to use a mini lifter. I like this mini lifter right here. It just works perfect. Okay. Sorry, I'm kind of looking at what I'm doing. Now it's going to lift up a lot of this meat up for me. That's what I want to do. Okay. Not trying to really snap it too big. Just to give it a nice. Okay. And lift that meat out. Let me see if we're doing anything here. Yeah. Good. Exactly what we want. Okay. Check that out. Look at that. A lot of that meat's lifted up. See what I mean? There. Half of it's up. Now what we'll do is we'll do the same thing. This time we'll get more aggressively on the pull. Check this out. Here we go. Dang, keep getting this thing. Sorry guys, keep getting my cord popped in. Now let nice and pancake. Okay. Sorry, the lighting's kind of bad out here, guys. It's overcast. I'm doing it on my phone, but hopefully the audio sounds good and the content's good. Okay, now we're gonna do a nice little snap. We got a little tighten. Okay, and watch my hand. Harder. I want to shock the dent up a little bit. Okay, it's working. We're going to tap down these crowns right here and then do it again. Okay, so welcome back. That was quick. All right, here is the dent. Okay, got it out. Yeah, actually the dent's right there. Now what I did to get the rest of the meat out, I took the crease tab and the tabs, and I pulled most of it out from where you saw. Okay, then in here there's an access hole, access completely inside. Now it's very tough to get a tool from here, from the bottom underneath all the way up to this edge. So what I did is, you see this cap right here, it's from Ultra, and I took this blade tip tool and I slipped that cap on, and I was able to push a lot of it out without making chewy marks. Then once I got most of that out, then I pinpointed it with this. Then I went up underneath the fender and got some of that out with this very sharp pick you see right here. Okay, super sharp pick. Then whatever else, a small wave I had, I slipped this underneath the fender. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, you see this little fender liner right there. Okay, I pulled that out and I just slipped this tool right in there. Okay, and just worked a little bit of that area. That's pretty much how I did it. And then I did some final touches with this one right here, this hook, and came in there and started finishing the rest of that out like this. Okay, So you have 2 access points, which is really, really good, so you can get that top part out. And this is mainly just to show you guys the procedures and access on these Audis, and what tools I used. These tools, you have to have sharp tools. Sharp tools these days is what's in, guys. I mean, and this is what's going to make your repairs super clean. Very, very clean. Look how sharp those tools are. Very, very sharp. And that's what you want. But you got to keep it clean all the way through. Otherwise, you're going to have a lot of chewies and you're always going to end up sanding, which I did not sand at all in here. Okay? Did not sand. Here's that. Here's my dent. You can see a little bit of distortion right here. Right? There's it right there. Okay. There you go. So that's how I did it. It's a quick little tutorial. I'd call it a quick tip mini tutorial. And that's how I ended up getting that dent out. Nice and clean.